Let's look at how to use bookmarks in forScore. If you downloaded a big book, in this case Romance Without Words, which has 20 pieces in the book. If you are looking for a song that is further down the book, you might have to flip through all pages before you could arrive to the song. Instead of doing that, we should use the bookmark function in forScore. Click on this little icon that looks like a book, and in the next window, click the Add button. Type in the song title and click the Save button. Now here, we can see the song is already on your bookmarks. Let's go to the next song, bookmark, Add, song title, Save, and now we can see the second song is there. One more, To a Wild Rose, bookmark, Add, song title. This piece has 2 pages. We should go to the arrow here, click on it, and let it end on the end page, and make sure this number is showing the end page, and then we click the Save button. Now we have all 3 songs. Let's do one more. Bookmark icon, Add button, song title, arrow to the next page, check the page number, and save. To change the information of the song, click the center of your iPad, go to the top window, go to Properties. Here you can change the song title, add the composer's name, change the page numbers, or you could even add it to the set list. Here, let me try to find a set list that I want to add it to. I'm going to add it to Wedding 2 here. Now when we go to this set list button, go back. Let me scroll down to Wedding 2. Here it is. A Studio in E minor is showing up on my Wedding 2 list. This is the completed bookmark I have added to this book. I have 20 songs here. Now let's say if I want to go to song number 19, Lagenda, instead of flipping through the whole book, I would just click on it. And there I have it. If I'm looking for a song in the book, rather than go to the book, I could just type in the song title. The song will pop up as a bookmark and we can go straight to it. Hope this video is helpful to you. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and music. Visit my website if you need hard music. The printed version of this book, Romance Without Words, is available on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching and have a good day.